1. Abase, ABASE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to humiliate, degrade, or lower in rank or esteem. Sentence, the arrogant manager would often abase his subordinates with belittling comments. Synonyms, humiliate, degrade, demean, lower, disgrace. Antonym, elevate, honor, uplift. 2. Abash, ABASH. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to embarrass, make ashamed, or cause self-consciousness. Sentence, the public speaker's forgetfulness of his lines abashed him in front of the large audience. Synonyms, embarrass, mortify, disconcert, shame. Antonym, confident, embolden, reassure. 3. Abate, ABATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to reduce in degree, intensity, or amount, to lessen or diminish. Sentence, after the storm passed, the rain started to abate and the wind calmed down. Synonyms, diminish, decrease, reduce, subside. Antonym, intensify, increase, escalate. 4. Abbreviate, ABBREVIATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to shorten or make briefer, often by using abbreviations or acronyms. Sentence, the long document was abbreviated to save space and make it more concise. Synonyms, shorten, condense, truncate, contract. Antonym, elaborate, expand, extend. 5. Abdicate, ABDICATE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to renounce or give up a position of power, authority, or responsibility. Sentence, the king decided to abdicate the throne and retire from ruling the kingdom. Synonyms, resign, relinquish, step down, quit. Antonym, ascend, assume, claim. 6. Aberrant, ABERRANT. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, departing from the usual, normal, or expected course, deviating from the norm. Sentence, the student's aberrant behavior in class warranted a meeting with the school counselor. Synonyms, deviant, abnormal, atypical, divergent. Antonym, normal, typical, conventional. 7. Aberration, ABERRATION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a departure from what is normal, expected, or typical, a deviation or anomaly. Sentence, the sudden change in his personality was considered an aberration from his usual character. Synonyms, anomaly, deviation, irregularity, exception. Antonym, conformity, normalcy, standard. 8. ABET, ABET. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to assist, encourage, or support someone in a wrongdoing or illegal activity. Sentence, the friend decided to abet his buddy in the prank even though it was against the rules. Synonyms, aid, support, assist, encourage. Antonym, deter, discourage, hinder. 9. Abeyance, ABEYANCE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a temporary state of suspension, dormancy, or inactivity. Sentence, the project was put on hold, in abeyance, until the required permits were obtained. Synonyms, suspension, dormancy, hiatus, pause. Antonym, continuation, activity, progress. 10. Abhor, ABHOR. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to regard with extreme dislike, disgust, or hatred. Sentence, she abhors cruelty to animals and actively supports animal welfare organizations. Synonyms, detest, loathe, despise, hate. Antonym, love, admire, cherish. 11. Abide, ABIDE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to accept, tolerate, or endure something, to conform to or follow a rule or decision. Sentence, as a responsible citizen, it is important to abide by the laws of the land. Synonyms, follow, obey, comply with, respect. Antonym, disregard, disobey, violate. 12. Abject, ABJECT. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, extremely miserable, hopeless, or degrading, showing no self-respect. Sentence, after losing his job, he fell into an abject state of despair and struggled to find a way out. Synonyms, wretched, miserable, pitiful, degraded. Antonym, proud, dignified, confident. 13. Abjure, ABJURE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to renounce, reject, or give up something formally, often through a solemn oath. Sentence, the witness decided to abjure his previous statement and provided new testimony to the court. Synonyms, renounce, reject, repudiate, disavow. Antonym, embrace, accept, affirm. 14. Ablution, ABLUTION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the act of washing or cleansing oneself, often in a religious or ceremonial context. Sentence, before prayer, Muslims perform ablutions to purify themselves. Synonyms, cleansing, washing, purification, bathing. Antonym, pollution, contamination, dirtiness. 15. Abnegation, ABNEGATION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the act of self-denial or the renunciation of one's own interests or desires. Sentence, the monk practiced abnegation, living a life of simplicity and detachment from material possessions. Synonyms, self-denial, renunciation, self-sacrifice, asceticism. Antonym, indulgence, self-gratification, self-interest.